Hello, happy Monday. It's been a already interesting day. We have multiple fights going on, battles. We have a package to Canada that has been slapped with a $62 Canadian customs fee. What is going on over there? I guess the wind must have blown it over or something. It's rattling over there. Yeah, we're fighting some customs issues over there. Found out today lumber prices increased by about 30%, maybe even more. I didn't even do the math. About 30%. Yeah, so that's fun. So yeah, we got our hands full. You know, it's always fun. But on the positive note, made this end grain block out of pine. I put 15 strips together, glued them together, and ended up with about a 3-inch thick board. Let me show you. I think I have the raw material still over there. Hang on. Come and see mit mir. So there's no editing going on here, right? I mean, we just do this real time. So he can see the raw material. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, there you go. And then here is the sanded version. Sanded and sealed with some beeswax. Not bad at all. Not bad. Yeah, we're just, or I'm just experimenting with this. Prototyping, you know, trying to turn some waste material. Oh, I forgot to show you. Back around. Just turning some waste material into something that can be made pretty. Hang on. Here are these blocks. See, I have each board. Where are my boards? Over there. See those 8-foot boards? Each one, I end up with this. So I took 15 of those and glued them together like that. Ended up like this. Actually, ended up like that. Cut it in half, and then finished it. And I I shot some footage, so I'm gonna slap that in right now, right here.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart?